So here you can see me looking through where the brake line is going through the grommet through the firewall. I'm pulling the cable using an old coat hanger. Here's the way that I routed the coax, the power cable, and the Ethernet cables. This is a diagram that shows basically how I wired everything. This is the grounding and connection of the antenna, and then the inside of the car. It's the wiring that I used for the connector for the tarheel antenna controller, and I had a jumper cable that I made to go between the shack-in-a-box and the car. So under here, we're looking under the dash. This is again where the power wire came through the firewall grommet. Get a bit of a closer look. This is where the cable ended up in the back before I pulled it under the seat. It was not connected to power. So here's power. Got a couple of 30-unit fuses on there. Just pop that off again. Here's ground. Again, 30-unit fuse. The back. Two giant Anderson connectors. This Anderson connector that goes to the control unit for the antenna. Actually, no, that goes to the head unit. This goes to the control unit for the antenna. And I have this connector here. That is what I adapted the tarheel antenna controller to. So, it's on there. And then this is not wired yet. As soon as I get the adapter, then it's going to go to BNC connector. For now, I have the antenna connecting directly to the radio and the shack box. So. Cable management could use some work, but let's see if it boots up. It's a good sign. Oh, that was close. Almost killed the battery. Let's see if this works. Okay, well, I've acquired satellite.
Made in China, and you're 5-8, 58, off target over. Roger, go 5-8, they go 5-8, 58, both ways, that's signal tonight, thank you much. Copy the 5-8, yeah, they have really approved, that's ours, too good to talk to you. And thank you, with that, get this way, N1CGF, back 10 minutes. Thank you, RC, we're going to put a bow on this one, I think that's what Rob says. But while I'm going to read the closing here, while closing this session,